Good morning, students. Renuka Nannoji here, your history and democratic politics teacher. We have completed two concepts of power sharing lesson. One is what is that meaning and the definition of power sharing. Then we completed ethnic composition in Belgium. That is tension between the Dutch and French we completed. But now today's class, this accommodation in Belgium or Belgian elements is the concept. Let us study that. What means, how did Belgian government solve the problem of Dutch and French? How it accommodated French as well as Dutch in the nation? So let us study. First point, between 1970 to 1993, Belgian leaders amended the constitution 4 times so as to work out an arrangement that would enable everyone to live together within the same country. It means, see students, whenever any decision has to be taken by the government, definitely they will amend the constitution, because one article will be introduced, some changes will be introduced. According to that, they will see whether it will work or no. So the trial and error method from 1970 to 1993, which was done by the Belgian leaders, and 4 times they amended the constitution. They brought some changes in the constitution. What was their intention? Their intention was they wanted both Dutch as well as French to be accommodated in the nation. They have to live together. This was the intention. So let us study what are the main features of Belgian model. Means, what are the decisions taken by the Belgian government. First point, equal distribution of seats. Okay, students, according to the new arrangement, according to the amendment, what was the decision? Dutch and French speaking ministers have been given equal status in the central government. No single majority can make decision unilaterally. It means Dutch ministers are also important, French ministers also are important. They will enjoy equal status in the central government. Without the approval of both Dutch and French, no decision can be taken. This is the first point. It means seats are equally distributed in the central government between Dutch and French. So now there will be no issues, no conflict, no quarrel between Dutch and French. Okay, second one, concept of federal government. What is this concept of federal government? Let us see. Besides the state government, for the two regions have been given maximum powers, and the state governments are not treated as the subordinate to the central government. See, it's very simple. Federal government is nothing but powers are divided between the central, state and the local. India is also a federal country where we have divided the power between central government, state government and local government. So here also what they did is, no state government will be subordinate to the central government. It means division of power. Okay, state also will have certain powers, central government also will have certain powers. You are not subordinate to anyone. That kind of system was introduced by the Belgian government. That is concept of federal government. Okay, now next, equal representation in Brussels. I have told you that Brussels is the capital city of Belgium. Okay, what is this equal representation? In the new arrangement, Brussels, the capital city of Belgium, equal representation given to both French and Dutch speaking people. It means here also, like in the capital city, you are having ministry. There also equal seats will be distributed between French and Dutch speaking people. No discrimination is made. Either you are minority or majority, but seats are divided between the representatives of both Dutch as well as French. And the last is community government. Belgian model introduced a new concept of third kind of government, that is called community government. It means apart from central government and state government, one more government is introduced by Belgium, that is community government. Students, like how we have panchayat system, how we have local government to solve the problems of the locality, the same way the community government was introduced by Belgium or Belgian model. So these are the ways through which Belgium government accommodated French as well as Dutch. It solved their problem and tension. So this is how Belgium became the role model for other nations. Even India has learnt the good concepts of Belgian government. See, we also have a federal structure in our country. We also have a community government or the local government in our country. So like that, Belgian government became a role model. So these are the things which I wanted to discuss about Belgium. So this is over. That is Belgian element. In the next class, we will be studying about Sri Lanka. Thank you.